Hey everyone, it's Jake with Real Broker. Thanks so much for joining us on another fabulous home tour. We've got a gorgeous house today. Let's talk about this house. Well, first, please like, subscribe, talk about us, comment below, tell me what you end up liking and what you don't like. If you have any questions about the house, all of my contact information is right there on the screen. But let's go ahead and take a look at this house. It's a little over 4,000 square feet. It's got two garages, one attached 3-car. In the back, there's also a detached 3-car garage. 2 entry points for RV parking. We have 4 bedrooms, an office, and a full guest suite. Pool, jacuzzi, super cool. So here we are. We're gonna head into the front door, and I'm so excited because my good friend LaQuay is the list agent on this one. Thanks, Quay. And cool thing about Quay and I both met in the Air Force. We're both veterans. Quay and her husband are retirees. I'm a retiree. So thanks to you and Jared for your guys' service and for making this awesome home available. So before we get too deep into the house, we're just gonna stop here in this front entryway. First, shuffleboard, super, super cool. It's got a great entryway into the house. You can see some cool fixtures hanging down. Obviously, this shuffleboard area is really neat. Stonework on the wall, and then it's got this little parlor bar over here. So everyone needs a bar in their house, right?
Right, don't forget about the wine fridge.
Oh, there's wine fridge. Okay, I see some taps over there.
Right behind you.
Little wine fridge down here.
Over here, and a kegerator.
Oh, see? That's why we do it with the list agent. So that's a super cool built-in wine fridge. Very neat. Really nice touch. That's super cool. Right over here, we are going to look at the office. So got nice little French doors over here. Just a traditional office. You can see the flooring throughout the house is tile. We got a little bit of laminate here in this office. Quay, do you know what do these look like? They're 11, 12 foot ceilings, and then out here we're probably looking at like 13 or 14 foot ceilings.
Yeah, we're looking at about 10 to 12 between the 2 spaces.
Right on. Well, let's continue on with this tour. We have a cool little closet right here. So it's a pretty deep closet. So normally this would just be a little coat closet, but it's pretty nice and deep. And since the primary bedroom is right here, we're going to go ahead and pop into it. So this is a huge primary bedroom. We've got some nice big bay windows over there. We'll just take a peek into this garage closet that is fully built out. Super cool. You could do anything you need to do in here. Set up all your house how you need to be. And nice walk-in closet. Kind of pan back around here. We got the rest of the primary bedroom. And then over here, we have the primary bathroom. Got a nice tub right there by itself. We have one countertop over there with a mirror. Got the walk-in shower. I'm gonna pan back right. We are Quay, but it's cool. And then over here we have another sink with a vanity. And then I never really show the bathrooms, but this bathroom is actually kind of cool. Like, I just like it how there's a little bit of cabinetry in there. Kind of gives a little bit of a cool touch. And then right there we also have a private entry out into the backyard.
Yep.
All right, let's go take a look at this kitchen, shall we? All right, so you can see it's got like just one massive kitchen, dining room area, great room area. So these setups are fantastic for entertaining friends. You would have your formal dining room table right here. Quay, you were pointing out these 2 things to me, 3 things actually earlier. So we have some
skylights.
Some skylights.
Lots of natural light in this house.
Yeah, so you got natural light coming in, which is super cool. So you don't have to have your lights on, powering up your house. Got your little couch, sitting area, TV area over here. And then over here we have a huge center island with what's that, 5 chairs around it right now? Yep. Could easily add some more if you wanted to. Got a microwave, got an oven, gas appliances, got a 5-burner cooktop. Nice little hood right there, some cool backsplash. Big old pantry. And we'll just kind of pan around here, and you got your fridge over there, of course, and you kind of get a view of the house as you're sitting here entertaining out with the friends. A couple gold pen lights hanging down there. And then right here we have laundry room. Cute dog. What's the dog's name, you know?
Which one?
Oh.
It's Lily.
Is this Lily?
I think that's Lily.
Hey, Lily. Anyway, laundry room, additional cabinets, got a sink in there too.
Lily's
serve as a mud room. We'll take a quick peek in this attached 3-car garage. It's got epoxy floor in here. It just looks pretty standard, although it is a nice high ceiling. You got some windows on the garage doors, which is a nice little touch, and there's some additional insulation.
And
So,
it does have an exit to the outside as well.
right, and so they're right over here. There's a door that goes out to one of the two RV parking areas. So we'll see that when we get outside the house. All right, let's go check out the secondary bedroom, shall we?
And there's a butler's pantry as well.
Oh yeah, you know what? Since I passed that up, you do have a little butler's pantry, and it's got a little nice swinging door there, a little saloon style. So if you're entertaining, you need a little food prep or whatever, or you just want to close it off from there you have it.
Yep. Really cool house. Been here a few times. It's a great entertainment space.
It does. Like, I want to come hang out here.
Yeah, the
and
flow
this is my
is-
first time being in it.
The flow is nice.
So this is one of the secondary bedrooms, which is rather large. I like what they did over here. Got some wood sliding on the wall. Kind of gives it a nice touch. Nice tall ceiling. You just have a traditional pocket slider over there for the closet. And then we have another secondary bedroom. So these are pretty big rooms.
Yeah, they're nice sizes for sure.
Yeah. Very much similar to the room we just came out of. And then they have a shared bathroom, which is right here. Looks like they've probably done some renovating in here. I like the quartz countertop in here, under mount. Looks like some custom lights there. Turn those on. Now that light turns on with the fan, so I didn't have it on just because of the noise. Got a cool tiled shower, it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Nice funky little thing. And then I like the gray on these cabinets in there. I think that's a really nice touch. All right, so oh, there you are. All right, so we're gonna go back here. We have one more bedroom. Yeah, we got another bedroom, and then really, if you want to count the ensuite as another bedroom, you could easily say 5 bedrooms. So we're just kind of coming back here. Got a cool bedroom here that has a huge walk-in closet. So really big. They got a little farm-style slide-out door there. I like that. I like that touch. Looks nice. And then this is the bathroom. Hello. It's a Sunday.
Hello, hello.
And it has its own little walk-in shower right there. Kind of getting all this bathroom. So nothing too crazy in here. Got some windows upstairs. Up top, excuse me. And this would be the ensuite. So nice ensuite, pretty big. It's got a little wet bar area over here. Could throw a microwave in here, probably a big full-size fridge if you want. You got your own sink. Got some granite countertops there, some storage.
And there's a nice Murphy bed.
Real one. Yeah,
Real
nice
wood.
high-end one.
Amish built. And really easy to kind of take down and
Very
pick
cool.
up.
So that would convey with the house, so that easily makes another bedroom. And then here's a whole nother bathroom. So very much like the other one, also has a little shower right there. So really they're the same bathrooms, just with a wall between it. All right, shall we go into this backyard?
Oh, it's my favorite part.
Yeah, it is pretty sick. So you can see we got a lot of natural turf, which is cool, very low maintenance. We do have this overhang that comes with the house, so you have 3 points of entry into the backyard, from the primary, from the main living room, and from this ensuite. Got a built-in barbecue over here, so that's super cool. And then you can look, this is a saltwater pool.
Correct.
Right? Yep.
Saltwater, Pebble Tech,
Self-cleaning,
mountain views.
mountain views. Yeah,
No
you got-
HOA,
no HOA.
which everybody likes.
Nice hot tub over here. Kind of just pan around the rest of this backyard here. It's pretty chill. Over here, we got a bit of a cool feature. So we have a little garden shed, right?
Yeah.
I'm not much of a green thumb on the way over to it. Obviously, we got this nice sitting area right here. Be a great place to hang out with friends, a little fire pit. Nice weather. I like the decor back here. We're gonna walk over the little bridge. Luckily, the waters aren't raging today. And then here's a little garden shed. So if you wanna do some cool projects, you can do all kinds of cool stuff back there. And over here, we're gonna look a quick peek at one of the RV gate entrances. So this comes in here off the side street. And you can see they got a big, it's not a horse trailer, but just a big old trailer on the side of the house here. So you could put a tow behind, fifth wheel, you name it. You do have a single car entrance right here. And then over here,
There's additional RV space.
yeah, some more RV space. We'll pop into this. This is the detached 3-car. Really bigger than 3-car. It's got 3 doors, but that's a 2-door normal entry. You can see this piping along the wall. So if you have an air compressor in here, you have multiple ports. You can plug in your hoses and not be wheeling around the air compressor. But then you have a whole additional, really another single car right here. And then you would have this single car. So really, actually, which is oversized than a 1-car. So this is really like a 4+ car garage when it comes in terms to square feet. And then we either have a 50 or a 30 amp right there on the wall. So cool.
Don't quote me, pretty sure it's 50.
All right, we think it's 50. Probably is. And then over here, you got this super long entryway from the RV gate on the side of the house. So I don't know, this is probably 120 feet deep.
Yeah, approximately.
And you can see right there, I think that's a 2500 Chevrolet. So full-size truck sitting right there, plenty wide, bringing an RV, multiple RVs, boats, toys.
You can fit 2 full-size food trucks in this driveway.
Yeah.
Ask me how I know.
How do you know?
Epic parties.
Epic parties. All right, I also see on the roof, looks like we have solar.
Yes, paid for.
Paid for solar, so that means with this house, like go ahead and crank those ACs up, turn the lights on, and you're not gonna have much of a power bill, if any, other than just the connection fee to NV Energy. So, Quay, did we miss anything today, or?
Man, there's just so much. I just want to make sure we hit it all.
I think we did. So we gave everyone a brief overview. If anyone has any questions about this house, go ahead and give me a call. My contact information is right there below. I'm going to throw Quay's contact information in the remarks below. So if you ever want to reach out to her directly, she's an amazing friend, an amazing real estate, and an amazing professional. And we hope you all have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next tour. Let's say bye, Quay.
See you.
Bye,
Thank
Quay.
you. Bye.